Mid-Autumn Festival falls on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month. On this day, Taiwanese people gather with families to eat mooncakes, admire the moon, and enjoy a BBQ. In ancient times, hero Hou Yi and his wife Chang'e lived in a world where there were 10 suns in the sky scorching the earth. Hou Yi shut the 9 suns down and left one. Goddess Wangmu granted him the elixir of life as a reward. One day, a group of bandits came for the elixir. In a moment of desperation, Chang'e accidentally took it. She then flew to the moon. Hearing the news that Chang'e had flown to the moon, people set up worship altars to pray for Chang'e's well-being and safety. Since then, worshipping the moon during the Mid-Autumn Festival became widespread among the people.
Today is a big day. In Taiwan, people celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival, which is known as the Moon Festival. People take this event so seriously that we get a day off. It is believed on this day the moon is the brightest and most gorgeous over the year. Today, I'm going to find out and experience the Moon Festival with a singer's family. Can't wait to meet them.